Cute face, slim waist, wonder how it taste.
Wonder how it tastes, yeah. She been running, but she already run a race, yeah. I swear I wonder how it tastes. You stay on my mind, can't nobody take your place. You told me so many times that you done, but
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my mommy's channel, and I'm gonna start the intro because she's just over there.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Destiny. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I promise I'm not gonna disappoint.
And if you haven't seen her last video, it was a fruit roll video. If you didn't see it, go see it right now.
So go check out our fruit roll-up challenge. Yes. Alright. So yeah, today me and Ty are gonna be using a tie-dye kit. So we are gonna be tie-dyeing some of our t-shirts. We just have 4 old shirts. So yeah, if you are interested in that, stay tuned so you can get your dose of this. So we are just using, okay, no, sit down.
Sit.
Lonnie, sit down.
Sit down.
I don't have anything to give you.
Just give them this. You don't need it anymore.
Here.
They want this? But you don't need it anymore.
What is it? Okay, first of all, why would she be trying to give him my Mother's Day card? Talking about I don't need it. I keep all of my cards.
No, why? They're old.
They're special to my heart. What do you mean?
Does this have anything in it?
He doesn't need it. I gave him his cup. Thank you.
Okay, fine.
Anyway, so we about to hop right into this video. So we got this little tie-dye kit and it's very simple, y'all. It comes with 5 different colors, 2 green, 2 pairs of gloves, the instructions.
No, 4.
2 pairs of gloves which come with 2 gloves in it. This is a pair. 2 is a pair.
Yes, and this.
So this is pins and 20 rubber bands. It was supposed to, but not sure where those went. So yeah, I am using one dingy white crop top.
And I'm using this one.
Hold on. And I'm also going to use this blue little crop top or whatever.
It's not. Is that really how it's supposed to be?
Yeah, that's how it came. That's the style.
It's raggy.
It's your raggy.
Your raggy.
The word is raggedy and stop. Alright. And Ty is just using one cami like this.
And then this one.
And then her regular t-shirt. So yeah. The instructions. Yes, I see you. Set your cup down. It's only 6 instructions, y'all, so this should be super easy. I've never done tie-dye before though, so have you?
No.
Alright, so step number 1. Well, first of all, it says read through all of the instructions before beginning, so that. Could you stop? You want to go up there with that? Do you want to go upstairs?
You want to watch us?
Sit down. No.
Get your juice. Get your juice.
Alright.
Get it.
So, first things first, we're going to read through all of the directions before beginning. Boom. So, we're going to go ahead and do step number 4, which is mix the dye.
And I already have my gloves on.
So, Ty already has her gloves on. But,
I told you they fit you more.
Yeah,
Look at this.
Hate to break it to you. But yeah, so we're going to take these and fill them up with water. But I'm not about to move the camera, so I'll be right back showing y'all once they're all filled up.
Blue, purple.
Alright, y'all, so we went ahead and, well, I went ahead and filled them all up. And I had Ty shake them. Yep. But we're going to go ahead and shake some more because they say make sure that it is fully dissolved. So I can see some dye down there at the bottom. So we shook them all up.
My shoulders your t-shirt. But you already dripped some. Look at it. She already drip some.
I got a few drops on my shirt already, but it's cool because
we're just gonna keep doing it.
Period. So yeah, that was step number 4, which is mixing the dye. And now step number 5 is apply dye on fabric. Checking to make sure dye has penetrated into each fold. Do not oversaturate fabric. If dye is applied too close together, the colors may become muddy. So now we have to decide how we want to wrap up our rubber bands. And they gave some ideas here on the back. So these are the 3 techniques that they gave us on the back to choose from.
I'm gonna do this one and this one.
We didn't have the big rubber bands, so I have just these tiny
little rubber bands.
I just have the regular black rubber bands, y'all. So I'm not really sure if this will work, and it's my first time doing
I got orange on me.
So whatever, we gotta wing it and just see what's up. So it says that we can pinch somewhere in the middle and then pull it up like this and then do like a twisty situation. So that's how I'm gonna wrap my first one, like that, kind of like a cone or whatever. And I'm just gonna like put my rubber bands on it. So here's my first thing. Is it gonna clear up?
It kind of looks like a white banana, but I like
So here's my first shirt, y'all. Looking like a little croissant. Ty said a banana. Okay, because somebody's cutting their grass outside. So yeah, this is the first shirt, and I'm gonna go ahead and help Ty with hers. And I'm just going to...
That's legit. That's it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pinch it like over here in the corner and twist it up like this.
But look at it. You already.
Alright, y'all, so here is Ty's shirt.
Looking like a banana.
And then we just have 2 more rubber bands, so I'm gonna go ahead and twist this one up for her because mommy is bugging. What are you doing? What? You want Dada? You want to go get Dada?
So how are we gonna paint it?
Alright, so I'm just pinching hers up like this, and I'm just gonna wrap it once right here and then once at the bottom for this one. Our second shirt. So now
Done.
we about to move on to the next step, which is dye the fabric. So we are going to stop it. So,
Because you already got your hands dirty. From
hey,
paint.
Google Broadcast, can you come get him real quick so we can finish this video, please?
It's only gonna be 2 minutes.
All right, broadcasting now.
Alright, y'all, so these are our 3 shirts. Ty has 2, I have 1. And we're just going to pick which colors we want. It wasn't enough rubber bands. I'll probably do one after the video. But, yeah, so we're just going to pick the colors we want.
My hands are like flopping on these.
Thank you. So we're going to pick the colors we want, and we're just going to, like, squirt them over. And not too much, so you don't want to squirt too much. But you want to flip it and make sure that you get dye all around, okay? So, like, so this is mine, and I think I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't want the because I don't want the colors to all seep in together. So I'm gonna leave mine like that. And I do have my other shirt here. So for this one, I'm gonna do the other method that they were talking about, which is the flat method. Give me 1 second, okay? So I'm gonna do the flat method. So I'm gonna stick a piece of this box in here, and I'm just gonna like squirt on it so it'll be like a whatever splatter type bag. second one. And that was step 5. So step 6 is cover dyed fabric with plastic wrap to keep damp. Let's set.
This is not even almost over.
I know we have so much more, but like we don't have nothing. So yeah, cover it with plastic wrap to keep damp. Let's set 6 to 8 hours or longer for most intense colors. Rinse until water is clear. Cut the rubber bands. Fill washer. Yada yada. Dry separately for the first few times. So we are gonna let these set for a while, and we're gonna come back tonight and rinse them and dry them so we can see the final results. So yeah, stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
8 times.
Because I know we're not disappointing, period.
Well, maybe on a couple parts when they were doing their lawn.
And that's not my problem.
How?
Anywho, so we'll be back with the final results.
We'll come back
Lonnie
and we'll show you how it looks.
He wants to cry all through our video just to go to sleep once we're done. So yeah.
Well, first we have to see the results.
Exactly, and they have to dry. All right, y'all, so it's been about 5 or 6 hours since we went ahead and dyed our shirts. So now we are going to move on to step number 6, which is rinse them out and then put them in the washing machine and then the dryer. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and rinse them with cool water until it starts to run clear. Just finished rinsing out the shirts, and I just rinsed them until the water ran clear. So let me show you Ty's before drying.
That was mine.
So here's one of Ty's shirts
Mine.
before going into the dryer. That's cute.
Mine. Oh, Jesus, it's cold.
Here's the other one.
That's
I realized. Okay, I needed to clear up first of all. Alright, here's the other shirt.
When did you realize?
And I realized that we should have been putting more of the paint on it, more of the dye on it.
Mine. Yeah, it's not really that much.
Here's my shirt that I just did some whatever on it, some freestyle on it. This one looks a mess, y'all.
Yeah, that one looks a mess.
But maybe once it dries, it'll be cute. And then here's the Forever 21 shirt that I did. It's okay.
Yeah, it's great.
So we'll see once they get dry. So we're gonna go ahead and toss these
And guys,
in the dryer.
Mommy.
Okay. Wow. You have both.
I also put these together.
Very well. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put these in the dryer, and then we will try one on for y'all when we come back so we can see the final results.
Hi. Welcome back to her channel. Mom?
Oh no, I was saying.
You wanna be on the video? Here's my brother. Say cheese. Yeah. Okay.
So this is our final results for our shirts, y'all. Turn around so they can see yours. So yeah, these shirts are super cute. Let me see if I can get it to clear up for y'all.
I'm wearing this one to sleep. Guys, I'm gonna wear this one to sleep.
So Ty says she's gonna wear hers to sleep. But yeah, this is the outcome of our tie-dye shirts. Super cute, and it was a fun project to do during quarantine. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.